it's all about your fans and they're going all berserk about for you. So I feel I have been immensely blessed. तो इसमें manage करने वाला और इसमें बुरा मानने वाली कोई चीज नहीं है. So bold doesn't always mean that you're wearing very bold clothes and trying to catch attention with all the kind of bold clothing or anything. So bold, by bold you mean you're forward, you're up for everything.
I have a man I love and I may just lose him. तो एक बहन का वादा है वो अपने भाई को कुछ नहीं होने देगी. I hate you.
About playing a bolder character on screen and about playing Roshni, it has been wonderful. It has been very Nia, so in terms of my clothing, in terms of how I talk, so Roshni and Nia are kind of similar people, so it just comes like a cakewalk to me playing Roshni. And I love playing with clothes and with makeup, so I get to do everything that I love in real life on this show. So it's just been a pretty damn happy journey. Time we saw Siddharth falling in love with Roshni falling head over heels with Siddharth. लेकिन इस time ऐसा नहीं है. The game has changed. The tables have turned. Roshni actually has this time come forward to fight her own battle. So she catches a hint that Siddharth has come with a motive in her life. So Roshni is up now. Roshni is game. Roshni is on the forefront, asking questions, trying to protect her family, fighting with Siddharth, the love of her life. So it's just the love has become poisonous. The tables have turned, and she's out there to to confront Siddharth. Even if it is at the cost of losing her love, she is ready to protect her family. So यहाँ वो thrill आता है कि क्या ये साथ में रह पाएंगे with so much going on in their personal lives. So yeah, one is out for revenge, one is for love. I don't know bold की क्या definition है honestly, but if bold means going out there and doing what is quirky, doing something that nobody else is going to do, so yes, I'm always on for that. So bold doesn't always mean that you're wearing very bold clothes and trying to catch attention with all the kind of bold clothing or anything. So bold, by bold you mean you're forward, you're up for everything, you're up your game to play whatever comes your way. So yes, that way I have been bold, but that doesn't mean that I'll do anything on screen just to grab attention. You know what I mean? रोशनी और दीदी की इक्वेशन हमेशा से बिटर ही थी. नो मैटर व्हाट, वो चाहे टीवी शो हो, चाहे फर्स्ट सीजन हो, चाहे सेकंड सीजन हो, दैट डॉटर एंड मदर वाली हमारी जो जोड़ी है, दैट हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ estranged relationship. वो कभी ठीक नहीं हो पाया. बट at the same time, because she's my mother, Roshni can die for her and take life for her mother. She will, मतलब मैं लड़ सकती हूँ अपनी माँ से, nobody else can say a word about Didi Patel. So this is the kind of possessiveness I have for my mother, and so does she. तो वो प्यार भी है, but yeah, how वो बिगड़े हुए बच्चे जो नहीं सुनते अपनी माँ की, so I am that, but then I love my mother immensely and nobody can mess with her. This is what Roshni knows in life. पॉपुलैरिटी हर किसी को इतनी नहीं मिलती है. आई अंडरस्टैंड जिस लेवल की पॉपुलैरिटी वी हैव रिसीव्ड on TV, it's all about your fans and they're going all berserk about for you. So I feel I have been immensely blessed. तो इसमें मैनेज करने वाला और इसमें बुरा मानने वाली कोई चीज नहीं है. So your fan पे हर एक चीज आप डालते हो, it gets just reposted by several fan pages. So you take it as a lot of love, you take it in your stride, it is your pride, and you should be proud of that fact. And I am immensely proud of my army. So it's amazing. Sir, I go meet my friends. I go out for dinner many times. अभी थोड़ा situation थोड़ा सा संभला था, अभी I know वापस से हो रहा है, but I made sure that I catch up with all my friends. I stay at my friend's place. So dancing with them, having fun with them is my pastime. Otherwise, I get very silent at home and I enjoy my time being in my bed, being on my phone and just completely quiet. So that's one side of me that I also get surprised with. Oh, acha, main shant bhi reh sakti hu. So when I'm not working, you'll see me just dead in my bed and probably just be, on my phone. That's it. That's my pastime.